how to highlight rows and columns of the active cells in your spreadsheet or Excel. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, simply launch your Google Spreadsheet or your Microsoft Excel. The process is just the same for both of the applications. Now, simply select the cell which you want to color or highlight. Here I will create this demo text or demo cells. Now in order to highlight, select the cell and then here in your navigation bar, you will find an option of fill color. Instead of this text color, simply go to fill color and then use the color. Select the color that you want to use for highlighting. And now as you can see, my text is highlighted. You can also change your text color using the text color feature from here. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.